This is what blizzard conditions look like. Incredible. Visibilities right now are less than 500 feet. We have extremely strong winds right now. I just looked at the radar. There's an extremely heavy band of snow rotating in from Long Island right now, from the east, southeast. Extremely heavy band of snow. I would say about 5 or 6 inches, 2 or 3 inches an hour. I'm going to look at the radar. I just looked at the radar like 2 minutes ago. However, I'm going to get my phone to show you the radar. Fortunately, I cannot pause the video, so I'm just going to leave it playing right now. I'll put it down right here for a sec. Just for a second. Stick that just fell. So here's the radar right now. I'm going to show you the New York City, the terminal Doppler weather radar now. Yeah, we have absolutely blizzard conditions right now outside. Oh my God! We got gusts up to 50 miles an hour, 55, approaching 60. These gusts are approaching 60 miles an hour right now. These are about the strongest gusts I've seen throughout the whole storm. I haven't... Yeah, these are the strongest gusts I've seen throughout the whole storm. Sounds like a freaking freight train rolling through. As it rolls through the trees. Now they're consistent. Now this had to be at least a 1 minute sustained gust of at least 40, 50 miles an hour. That is courtesy of this band coming through. I'm going to show you the New York City terminal Doppler weather radar. And yeah, these birds are being pushed like crazy. Incredible. So this is the radar right now. New York City radar. There we are. Extremely heavy band coming in right now from the east. See that dark green? That's rotating in right now. The dark green is the heaviest right now so far on radar. I'm gonna play it right now so you can see. See, just still rotating in. It's still coming in from the southeast. You see, however, you see this right here? However, that little northeast movement right there? On the radar? That's actually the gust that just came down. You see that little echo right there? The little... Right there, that was the gust that just came through. You could actually see it on radar. Velocity. Let me go to velocity right now. Let me see if it shows any changes in the colors. Not really, but that little blip was actually the wind coming through. I know it. That was a very strong gust. And that had to be at least a 50, 60 mile an hour gust that just came through. I mean, I heard it roaring through the trees. I mean, at the top of the trees, it was probably 60. On the surface, it was probably, I'll say, 40, 45. I'm going to film some outside now. I'm gonna measure the snow now. I'm gonna put my phone back now. So yeah, I'm just gonna go filming right now. Going out in the brunt of the storm. But I love this kind of weather. I eat, sleep, and breathe weather. It's what I do. It's why I'm going to hopefully go to Mississippi State University in a couple of years to take a degree in meteorology. It's actually, we're already approaching 20 inches. Let me go into the yard a little more so I can get a more accurate measurement. Okay. Already 19 inches already. 19 and counting. 18 to 19. But you got to remember, the wind's actually blowing some of the snow off. So you might have an accumulation rate of maybe 2 inches an hour. Or because it's so windy. Good. I zoomed out. Okay. Wiping some of the excess water off of the camera. Off of the screen, actually. There. Brightness is back to normal. Let me go around the yard, just measuring the snow. Actually, this is not even my yard. What am I doing here? Yep, 19 inches. 19 inches and counting now. Yeah, man. With that big coming in, might see another 3 or 4, 5 or 6 inches before all is said and done. So yeah, we could easily see 2 feet. We'll probably see 2 feet. This is by far the worst storm I have ever seen in terms of snow. In terms of wind, this is the worst. I mean, I've seen a storm similar to this in December 2010. The only difference was it was much quicker.